ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 14-14 यदा सत्वे प्रवृद्धेतु प्लस 14-15 रजसि प्रलयं गत्वा। यदा सत्वे प्रवृद्धेतु प्रलयं याति देहभृत्। पदच्छेदे यदा सत्वे प्रवृद्धेतु प्रलयं याति देहभृत् तदोत्तमविदां लोकान् अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते। पदच्छेदे तदा उत्तमविदान् लोकान् अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते। रजसि प्रलयं गत्वा कर्मसङ्गिषु जायते। तदच्छेदे रजसि प्रलयं गत्वा कर्मसङ्गिषु जायते। तथा प्रलीनस्तमसि मूढयोनिषु जायते। तदच्छेदे तथा प्रलीनः तमसि मूढयोनिषु जायते। वाक्यांशशः विशेषणम्। I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः, कर्तृपदीयः, कर्मपदीयः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः। सत्वे यदा तु प्रवृद्धे देहभृत् प्रलयं याति देहभृत् अमलान् लोकान् उत्तमविदां तदा प्रतिपद्यते. Even with Sati Saptami of Satve Prabhuddhe, in 1a, the conjunctive pair yada in 1a and tada in 1c is relevant because Sati Saptami of Satve Prabhuddhe is a subclause of Dehabhrut Pralayam Yati. That is 1b. The total clause of 1a and 1b together, that is Yada Dehabhrut Satve Prabhuddhe tu Pralayam Yati, is subclause of Tada Uttamavidam Amalan Lokan Pratipadyate. Dehabhrut is the implicit subject of Pratipadyate also. In 2a, Dehabhrut Pralayam Rajasi Gatva. Karma Sangishu Jayate. Since Gatva is 2a, Gatva in 2a is Twantam, it is necessarily Samana Kartruka with Jayate in 2b. The implicit common subject word Samana Kartrupadam for both is Dehabhrut. Tamasi tatha pralinaha Dehabhrut Mudhayonishu Jayate. The phrase Tatha tamasi pralinaha in 3a is adjectival of the implicit subject Dehabhrut. In 3b, अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यासः। यदा देहभृत् सत्वे प्रवृद्धे तु प्रलयं याति यदा अव्ययं when देहभृत् विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं नपुंसकलिङ्गं वा प्रथमा एकवचनं देहं बिभर्ति इति देहभृत् उपपत् तत्पुरुषः सत्वे सत्व नपुंसकलिङ्गं सप्तमी एकवचनं सत् प्लस त्व the characteristics of being sat good, so chastity. प्रवृद्धे प्रवृद्ध धातोः क्त विशेषणं प्रवृद्ध अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं सप्तमी एकवचनं प्रवृद्ध past participle full grown, increased, augmented, expanded, enlarged. प्रवृद्धं यद्वैरं मम खलु शिशोरेव कुरुभिः. Tu avyayam, however, pralayam, pralaya, pullingam dvitiya ekvachanam, pralayaha, destruction, annihilation, dissolution. Sthanani kim hivata pralayam gatani, pralayam nitva. Oh, this is from Bhartruhari maybe, 3.70 and 69. The destruction of the whole universe at the end of a kalpa, universal destruction. Aham Krishnasya Jagata Prabho Pralayasthatha from Bhagavad Gita 7.6. Any extensive destruction or devastation or dissolution also is a good meaning. Relevant. Yati. Ya dhatoh lati prathama purushaha ekvachanam. Ya prapane. To go. To pass. Adadi. Dvitiya ganiha prasmepadi. Sakarmakaha anit. Tada uttama vidam amalan lokan pratipadyate. तदा अव्ययम देन उत्तमविदाम उत्तमविद विशेषणम अत्र पुल्लिंगम षष्ठी बहुवचनम उत्तमं वेत्त्येति उत्तमविद उपपदान्वितः बहुव्रीहि उत्तमम उत्तम द बेस्ट विशेषणम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम वेत्ति विद धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम विद विदं ज्ञाने टू अंडरस्टैंड टू लर्न टू नो एटसेट्रा अदादिः द्वितीयगणिः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः सेट अमलान अमल विशेषणम अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम न मलः यस्य सः अमलः बहुव्रीहि अमल स्पॉटलेस फॉल्टलेस अमल न मलः परफेक्ट लोकान लोक रेन पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम प्रतिपद्यते प्रतिपद धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम प्रतिपद टू अटेन टू रजसि प्रलयं गत्वा कर्मसंगिषु जायते रजसि रजस नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम रजस रंज असुन न लोपाः डस्ट पाउडर डर्ट एटसेट्रा डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स a mote in a sunbeam any small particle of matter and more appropriate meaning here the second of the three gunas or constituent qualities of all material substances the other two being sattva and tamas rajas is supposed to be the cause of the great activity seen in creatures it predominates in men as sattva predominates in gods and tamas predominates in demons अंतर्गतम अपास्तम में रजसोपि परम तमः गत्वा गम धातोः क्त्वान्तं गम गम रुंग गतौ टू गो भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट् कर्मसंगिषु कर्मसंगिन् विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिंगम सप्तमी बहुवचनम् कर्मणि संगः कर्मसंगः सप्तमी तत्पुरुषः कर्मसंगः अस्य अस्ति इति कर्मसंगी कर्मणि कर्मन् वर्क नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम संगः पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम संगः अटैचमेंट इन्वॉल्वमेंट जायते जन धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम जन जनी प्रादुर्भावे टू बी बॉर्न टू बिकम टू कम टू एक्सिस्टेंस दिवादिः चतुर्थगणीयः आत्मनेपदी अकर्मकः सेट तथा तमसि प्रलीनः मूढ़योनिषु जायते तथा अव्ययम also furthermore tamasi tamas नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम tamas noiter tam asun darkness the gloom or darkness of hell mental darkness ignorance illusion and in Sankhya philosophy darkness or ignorance as one of the three qualities or constituents of everything in nature the other two being sattva and rajas अंतर्गतम अपास्तम में रजसोपि परम तमः प्रलीनः प्रलि धातोः क्त विशेषणं प्रलीन इमर्स अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम मूढ़योनिषु मूढ़योनि स्त्रीलिंगम सप्तमी बहुवचनम मूढ़ायोनिः इति मूढ़योनिः कर्मधारयः मूढ़ा मुह धातोः क्त विशेषणं मूढ़ अत्र स्त्रीलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम मुह मुहं वैचित्ये दिवादिः चतुर्थगणीयः परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः वेट टू लूज सेंसेस टू फेंट टू बी फूलिश टू अर्थ योनिः योनि स्त्रीलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम योनिः मैस्कुलिन और फेमिनिन यू नी वूम यूटेरस vulva I think the more appropriate meaning is the form of existence as Manushya Yonihi, Pakshi Yonihi, Pashu Yonihi, like that. Anvayartha, overall meaning. Yada dehabhrut sattve prabhuddhe tu pralayam yati. If the embodied one meets with dissolution when chastity is predominant, tada uttama vidam amalan lokan pratipadyate. Then he attains to the spotless realm of the knowers of the highest. रजसि प्रलयं गत्वा कर्मसंगिषु जायते meeting with dissolution when passion is prevalent. One is born among those attached to work. तथा tamase pralinaha mudha jayate. Similarly, one who has met with dissolution when lowliness prevails, tamasi, lowliness, is born in the species of poor intelligence, mudha species of poor intelligence. छंदो विश्लेषण यदा सत्वे प्रवृद्धे तु अष्टक्षाणि प्रवृद्धे एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे प्रलयं याति देहभृत् अष्टक्षाणि तिदेह एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका तदोत्तमविदां लोकान् अष्टक्षाणि विदां लो एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते अष्टक्षाणि तिपद्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अस्मिन् चतुर्दशाध्याये चतुर्दशे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः रजसि प्रलयं गत्वा अष्टक्षाणि लयं गत्वा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे कर्मसङ्गिषु जायते अष्टक्षाणि शुजाय एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका तथा प्रलीनस्तमसि अष्टक्षाणि नस्तम एतेषां मात्राः द्वे एका एका मूढयोनिषु जायते अष्टक्षाणि शुजाय एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका तृतीये पादे अपवादः अन्यथा अस्मिन् चतुर्दशाध्याये पंचदशे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी द थ्री रिजल्ट्स अमलान् लोकान् प्रतिपद्यते कर्मसंगिषु जायते मूढयोनिषु जायते have conditions सत्वे प्रवृद्धे रजसि प्रलयं गत्वा तमसि प्रलीनः. All three conditions have past tense for which three different grammatical styles are used. Satve pravruddhe has sati saptami, gatva is ktvantam, pralinaha is kta visheshan. That is some point of interest for learning Sanskrit and Gita together. I would like to add one more row, number 6, to that appellation composed for a comparative study of the three qualities Sattvam, Rajaha and Tamaha. Gunaprakarah, Sattvam, Rajaha, Tamaha. So, one point of perception, attributes, Visheshana. Sattvam is Prakashakam, Anamayam. Rajaha, Ragatmakam. Tamaha, Mohanam. Then Karanani, Genesis. Sattvam Nirmalatvat. Rajaha Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam. Tamaha Ajnanajam. Katham Badhnati. Sattvam Sukha Sangena, Jnana Sangena cha Badhnati. Katham Badhnati binds by. Rajaha Karma Sangena Badhnati. Tamaha Pramadalasya Nidrabhihi Badhnati. Kada Sanjayati. Sattvam Sukhe Sanjayati. Rajaha Karmani Sanjayati. Tamaha Pramade Sanjayati. Vivruddhe Kim Bhavati. Sattve Vivruddhe Jnanam Asmin Dehe Sarvadvareshu Prakashaha Upajayati. Rajasi Vivruddhe Lobha Pravrutti Arambha Karmanam Ashamaha Spruha Etani Jayante. Tamasi Vivruddhe Aprakashaha Apravrutti च Pramadaha Mohaha Evacha Etani Jayante. These are the 5 modes of consideration. Now 6th mode. Pralaye Uttama Vidam Amalan Lokan Pratipadyate. Rajasi Pralayangatva Karma Sangishu Jayate. Mudha Yonishu. Tamasi Pralayangatva Mudha Yonishu Jayate. I wonder whether artists and artisans are inherently karma sanginaha because they breathed their last of the previous life, rajasi, with passion predominant. Passion to do something. Karma sangina. Some generally impossible guidance on how one should breathe one's last is detailed इन प्रयाणकाले मनसा चलेन भक्त्या युक्तो योगबलेन चैव भ्रुवोर्मध्ये प्राणमावेश्य सम्यक् सतं परं पुरुषमुपैति चाद्यम्. All this is about how one breathes one's last, and the almost impossible guidance is mentioned here. He who leaves the body with mind unmoved and filled with devotion, by the power of his meditation, gathering between his eyebrows his whole vital energy, attains the supreme. How very difficult. Also, sarvadvarani saimya mano hrudi niruddhya cha मूर्ध्याधायात्मनः प्राणम आस्थितो योग धारणम. Properly controlling all the gates in the body, sarvadvarani sanyamya. Well restraining the mind in the heart, it is not heat, heart. Mano hrudi niruddhya cha. Then fixing one's own prana in the head, murdhi adhaya, atmanaha pranam, and yoga dharanam asthitaha, taken resort to the firmness of the yoga. Om ityekaksharam brahma vyaharan mamanusmaran yaprayati tejam dehan sayati paramam gatim. Uttering the one syllable Om, the immutable Brahman, and remembering me, who departs, leaving the body, attains to the Supreme. Awesome. Earlier, the carry forward into next life was detailed in Nahi Kalyan Krut Kaschit Durgatim Tata Gacchati 6-40. No one who does good ever comes to an evil end. Prapya Punyakratan Lokan Ushitva Shashwati Samaha Shuchinam Srimatam Gehe Yoga Bhrashtobi Ayate. Having attained to the worlds of the righteous, Punyakritam Lokan Prapya, having dwelt there for everlasting years, Shashwati Samaha Ushitva. He who fell from yoga, yoga bhrashta, is born in a high house of the pure and wealthy. Shuchinam Srimatam Gehe Abhijayate, is born. अथवा योगिनामेव कुले भवति धीमताम् एतद्धि दुर्लभतरं लोके जन्म यदीदृशम्. Or he may be born in the family of the wise sages, yogina kule, dhimatam, wise. Though a birth like this, durlabhataram janma, indeed very difficult to obtain. Idrusham janma durlabhataram. Tatratam buddhi sanyogam labhate paurvadehikam yatate cha tato bhuyas samsiddhau kurunandana. Then the experience acquired in his former life, paurvadehikam buddhi sanyogam, will revive labhate, and with itself he will strive for perfection more eagerly than before. Purvabhyasena taneva rhyate havashopi saha jidnyasalpa yogasya shabda brahmati vartate. Unconsciously he will return to the practices of his old life, so that he who tries to realize spiritual consciousness is certainly superior to one who only talks of it. प्रयत्नाद्यत मानुष योगी संशुद्ध किल्बिषः अनेक जन्म संसिद्ध ततो याति पराम गतिम. Then after many lives, अनेक जन्म, the student of spirituality, yatamana, who earnestly strives, prayatnad yatamana, and whose sins are absorbed, samshuddha kilvisha, attains perfection and reaches the supreme param gatim yati. Of course, one cannot take it that I will breathe my last as specified. What is specified has to be imbibed into one's character by constant practice. Only then as specified can happen when breathing one's last. There is a good saying, Subhashitam, Gruhita iva kesheshu mrityuna dharmam achare. Practice righteousness, dharmam, considering that death always has its hold on you. Kesheshu gruhita hi mrityuna, and may deliver its stroke any time. It is certainly not good that death delivers its stroke when you are engaged in unrighteousness. One may also note, Aneka Janma Samsiddhas Tato Yati Paramgati. After many lives, one attains perfection, the final beatitude. This is repeated. Bahunam Janmanamante Jnanavan Mam Prapadyate, 7-19. After many lives, the wise man realizes me. He only knows when the soul is eligible. He only knows when the soul is eligible for the final beatitude. Our job is dharmamachare, practice righteousness. Leave the final beatitude to him. In fact, the last 18th chapter of Gita is moksha sannyasa yoga, giving away sannyasa of any desire for moksha, the final beatitude. Leave it to him. These two shlokas delineating सत्वे प्रवृद्धे प्रलयम याति चेत उत्तम विदाम अमलान लोकान प्रतिपद्यते रजसे प्रलयम गत्वा कर्मसंगिषु जायते तमसे प्रलयः मूढ़योनिषु जायते. The message implicit is stay sattve pravruddhe, practice righteousness with faith and devotion unto him all the time. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are in the description box. Shubhamastu.